It's been a nice day today for summer standards. Lots of sunshine. The temperature's hot, but not oppressively hot. But now we're transitioning into a really warm and muggy night tonight. Right now we got temperatures in the lower 80s and upper 70s out there. It's 81 in Cambridge and 79 degrees right there in Ocean City with plenty of humidity. No shortage of it as dew points are in the mid to upper 70s out there. Now, we are tracking some thunderstorms west of the Bay. If you were with us at the 6 p.m. newscast, they looked fairly robust with some heavy downpours and lightning, but as expected, these storms have weakened. Right now, they just turned into a bunch of showers out there. Just some light rain crossing through the Baltimore metro and within the vicinity of the area. That's pretty much the most impressive activity out there. So I've actually taken out lightning out of the forecast for tonight, but the potential will be there for maybe a passing isolated shower out there at any point tonight. And it's kind of driven by this cold front that's slowly sagging southward. And the thing with this front is that it's going to stall over the peninsula tomorrow. So unlike today, I think tomorrow will feature a better chance for some showers and thunderstorms, isolated in nature, just because we're going to have that trigger mechanism sliced across the peninsula. Once we get the daytime heating, the heat and humidity to really max out during the afternoon, that's when we could see a few showers and thunderstorms. Now, the Storm Prediction Center does highlight a very low-end threat for an isolated severe storm, basically along and west of U.S. Route 13. But even along the coastline, I can't rule out a strong thunderstorm anytime during the afternoon, kind of like what we saw on Thursday with that sea breeze interaction. So just something to keep in mind. I don't think it's going to be a widespread issue, but the threat will be there during the afternoon. You'll see how it goes out on Futurecast. We start off dry on Sunday, then by the afternoon, we'll get a couple of downpours and thunderstorms to pop up during the peak heating of the afternoon. And they can pretty much appear anywhere along the peninsula, but not everyone is going to see a storm. I think it's mainly going to be an isolated threat out there, but still a threat nonetheless. So just something to keep in mind out there. Going into Monday, I think once again starts off on a dry note, and then during the afternoon, we'll get some more downpours and thunderstorms to develop. And I think Monday has a better potential for a higher coverage of thunderstorms out there. So the afternoon could get a little bit active out there. But again, a scenario where probably not everyone is going to see a thunderstorm out there. Then I think we have a better potential for more organized showers and storms going into Tuesday evening with this cold front approaching the region. And some of these storms could be on the stronger side. We'll definitely have to watch this. And the front may be a bit slow to move out. In other words, I do think there may be some clouds and maybe a few lingering showers throughout the morning hours on Wednesday before I think we get at least some clearing by Wednesday afternoon. Then the weather looks pretty good by the end of the week. It looks like a secondary front will cross through sometime on Thursday, maybe bring in a few clouds, but right now we're thinking it's going to be a dry front. And then with these two fronts crossing through this week, some dry air will potentially move in by the end of the week with dew points going below 70 rather than being above 70, which would certainly be an improvement compared to what we are going to be dealing with for the next few days, or a couple of days, I should say. Temperatures in the 70s for tonight, so it will be a warm and muggy night out there with a chance for an isolated shower. The marine forecast shows winds at around 5 to 15 knots, and look at those water temps at the Atlantic, 73 to 75 degrees, so pretty warm out there. 87 to 92 for tomorrow with the chance for isolated thunderstorms in the afternoon and likely scattered storms during the afternoon on Monday. And then by Tuesday evening, we'll watch that potential for some more organized showers and thunderstorms, some of them may be on the stronger side. Lingering showers possible Wednesday morning with some clearing by the afternoon. And then 4th of July looks great.